Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. We've put together this list of the 10 best choices. We've tested each and every one of them to really make sure you're getting the best. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch and give you a clear idea on key features. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in.
The key to a successful fishing trip is having the right fishing tools. Have you tried using the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo? Would you prefer to get the set instead of buying the reel and the rod separately? We have made a video guide with the 10 best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo out there for your convenience. Any one of these freshwater fishing rod and reel combo will give you a memorable experience, so choose whichever one strikes your fancy.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 10. Castaroud Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. If you're looking for the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo to add to your tackle collection, look no further. This Castaroud Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo have exceptional features. It includes a travel bag, fishing pole, fishing line, spinning fishing reel, tackle boxes, a lot of soft lures, and fishing hooks that you need when fishing. The rod of this combo comes with the latest upgraded and black design that is made of high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass. It is very compact and lightweight for you to carry and cast. The reel is made of 12 quality ball bearings and one instant stop one-way anti-reverse bearing. These exceptional bearings reduce noise and offer you silky smooth and balanced operation and all-day fishing comfort. This combo has stainless steel line guides with ceramic inserts, making it more smooth and durable while dissipating heat more efficiently. The metal handles are comfortable and give you maximum control over your fishing pole in all weathers. It's a popular gift to send your father, son, husband, fiancé, boyfriend for the upcoming birthday or Christmas. Number 9. Cloris Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Do you need the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo sitting tight for you. The Cloris Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This combo includes a 12-feet carbon fiber fishing rod, spinning fishing reel, fishing line, fishing bag, various fishing lures, bait, and fishing hooks. The collapsible fishing pole design with a lower friction coefficient. Its international advanced epoxy resin adhesive makes the guide ring more solid. This 12-feet telescopic fishing rod is made of high-density carbon fiber with fiberglass, which is durable, lightweight, portable, and easy to carry. This combo is equipped with high-quality fishing reels. The reel has 13+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings, precision-matched gears, and a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio. It also has an ultra-smooth, non-slip, and more comfortable handle. It is perfect for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater surf fishing, or inshore fishing. Number 8. Wild Water Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The freshwater fishing rod and reel combo are what some anglers prefer, and for a starter combo. It's good to buy a set that has a rod and reel, line, a fly box with an assortment of flies. In that regard, this Wild Water Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is the best fishing rod and reel combo for the money. This Wild Water Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo come with 4-piece rods in a set. The length of this rod is 9 foot. It has slow action and IM8 graphite. It also has a machined aluminum reel seat with double lock rings and a laser-etched butt cap. The rod comes with a 7 inches long Western-style cork handle with compressed cork accent rings. The weight of this rod is 6 ounces. This freshwater fishing rod and reel combo include a reel, which has a 95 mm diameter spool, die-cast aluminum, and adjustable disc drag. The combo is designed with a 32 inches hard tube case with a reel pouch and a side storage pouch with a zipper. The case will hold the rod, reel, fly box, and all the accessories. It is best suited for trout, panfish, small bass, small to medium streams, ponds, and backpacking. Number 7. LineRike Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. This combo is specially made for novices, including necessary accessories for fishing. It includes carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod, stainless steel spinning fishing reel, fishing line, fishing bag, various fishing lures, baits, fishing hooks. This portable fishing pole meets your fishing needs. The ultralight fishing pole is made of high-density carbon fiber, which is durable, lightweight, and easy to carry. This compact fishing pole is 2.1 meters. It comes with colorful anti-corrosion guide rings that are made of high-quality stainless steel and ceramic, which has good heat dissipation and can also reduce friction. And the compact fishing pole with an integrated non-slip ergonomic handle. The spinning fishing reels feature 13+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings, precision-matched gears, and a powerful 5.2:1 gear ratio, ultra-smooth, which gives more chance to land the big fish. The ultralight fishing rod and reel combo suitable for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater fishing, or inshore fishing.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 6. Quantum Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. If you are interested in knowing about the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo, then look at this Quantum Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. This combo features an SCR aluminum body and a C4 LF rotor reel. It is paired with an equally strong and durable graphite rod for peak performance that's always in its element. The Quantum Reliance fishing reel features 6 anti-corrosion bearings and an aluminum body to take on any fish in any element, equally at home in freshwater or saltwater. It comes with roller bearings that provide instant anti-reverse for immediate hook sets and super smooth performance for any application. It has a maintenance-free design that protects the reel's bearings, gears, and other critical components from water corrosion, sand, and wear. This hard-working combo comes with a lightweight and durable cork handle and stainless steel cushioned hood reel seat. It has fast action and medium power that is ideal for targeting everything from walleye to bass and more, and is designed to hold a 10-17 pound line weight. Number 5. Richcat Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Do you need the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo for your convenience? No pressure. This Richcat Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is the best answer to your concern. The Richcat is a standout amongst other freshwater fishing rod and reel combo on the lookout. This Richcat Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo include essential fishing accessories. It has a telescopic fishing rod, metal fishing reel, pole holder, and fishing alarm bell. It is suitable for experienced and beginners. The rod is made of high-density carbon fiber material that makes the fishing rod hard and light. The Deluxe 5000 spinning fishing reel comes with a 400 feet preloaded wire. So it's perfect for catching medium-large bass, catfish, salmon, and more in winter. The guide and reel seat is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum. It is suitable for saltwater and surf fishing. The comfortable anti-slip handle can help you cast farther. Moreover, this Richcat combo has a stylish look and high-quality workmanship. It's a great gift for your father, husband, or boyfriend. Number 4. Tailored Tackle Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Do you need the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo for your ordinary use? The freshwater fishing rod and reel combo is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This versatile multi-species combo is designed for big and small fish on the same fishing pole. It can be an ideal fishing gift for dad or the men and women in your family. This tailored tackle freshwater fishing rod and reel combo are made of high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. The medium spinning rod with enough backbone to handle big fish with popular fishing lures. It comes with a fast action tip that gives you the extreme sensitivity of luxury fishing rods. The smooth and agile 7-ball bearings reel comes with a 10-pound drag system and anti-reverse switch, which gives you the elite features of premium reels at an affordable combos price. Moreover, this combo is perfect for ponds, lakes, and rivers for bass, walleye, trout, pike, and panfish, or hit the pier and bay for red drum, snook, striped bass, and bluefish. Number 3. Milerong Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. If you are looking for the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo, then look at this Milerong Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. It is designed for novices, including necessary accessories for fishing. You will get one telescopic fishing rod, one spinning reel, one fishing line, various fishing lures, fishing hooks, and one carrier bag. The fishing pole is made of perfect elasticity, high-density carbon fiber, which is lightweight, sturdy, and durable. It comes with the compact, retractable design of the fishing rod that makes it portable, easy to store, and travel. The spinning fishing reels feature with 5.2:1 high speed and smooth retrieve rate, more chance to land the big fish. It comes with a 5.2:1 high speed and smooth retrieve rate, more chance to land the big fish. It is suitable for sea, lake, river, pond fishing. The spinning fishing rod comes with an integrated non-slip handle, which is comfortable, breathable, and wear-resistant. It has a ceramic guide that has good heat dissipation and can also reduce friction. The guides are wound with colorful thread and sealed with glue, firm and beautiful.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Sougayilang Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. This Sougayilang Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo are necessary accessories for fishing. The fishing rod comes with high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass. The fishing pole is hard and durable. It has a hard and lightweight guide ring that is made of SiC ceramic. Its lower friction coefficient makes it durable. Its international advanced epoxy resin adhesive makes the guide ring more solid. This reel has 13+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings. It also comes with precision-matched gears and a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio, which gives an ultra-smooth performance. It has an interchangeable right or left-hand CNC machined aluminum handle and an extra exquisite aluminum spool. The EVA knob makes it non-slip and more comfortable when long-time fishing. This freshwater fishing rod and reel combo are lightweight and portable. It easily fits in a car trunk, boat, or backpack. The Sougayilang Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo allow you to travel to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you want.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Plusinno Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. This Plusinno Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo are some of the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo. It has a graphite construction that increases its sensitivity. While corrosion is one of the problems most rods encounter, their stainless steel reel seats enable them to work well in the saltwater environment. This Plusinno Freshwater Fishing Rod and Reel Combo come with a rod and a reel. The rod is made of high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, which makes the fishing pole hard and durable. It is portable and the closed-length design is convenient to carry around. It features stainless steel hooded reel seats that are anti-seawater corrosion. This rod has an EVA 4 grip handle. It also has a deep aluminum spool with double color and one-line holes. Manufactured in different length sizes, you can choose the perfect size you need since tastes are different, making your fishing experience even more fulfilling. It's the best gift to send a father, son, husband, fiancé, boyfriend for the upcoming Christmas. Hope you have no doubts about the best freshwater fishing rod and reel combo in the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.